This is the problem about the market firm sending surveys to Chicago and San Francisco. So we have an equal number of surveys sent to Chicago and San Francisco, and then there's a 10% chance that a Chicagoan returns a survey and a 30% chance that a San Franciscoan returns a survey. So this problem is asking us to find the probability that person is from Chicago and returns a survey. So to better illustrate what's going on in this problem, we can draw a nice little tree diagram here. And so, since we know that there's an equal number of surveys sent to both cities, we can label each of these branches, I guess, 0.5. And then when we extend over from the Chicago branch, we know that there's a 10% chance that a Chicagoan will return the survey and a 90% chance they will not. And then San Francisco's pretty similar in that there's a 30% chance that they will return the survey and a 70% chance that they will not. So since we need to find the probability that a randomly selected citizen is from Chicago and returns a survey, we have to find an intersection of sorts. So to do that, we can use our conditional probability formula, which, as we know, the probability of E intersect F over probability of F, which is equal to the probability of E given F. So what we can do is we want to find this. So we can multiply probability of F on both sides of this equation. So then that just gives us, so we just rearrange the equation a little, and that gives us the probability of E intersect F, which is equal to the probability of E given F times the probability of F. So now we can start plugging in some values. So we'll just go up here. So we still don't know what this is, but we do know what the probability of E given F is. So since we know what this is, we know that this is 0.1. As we can tell from our lovely tree diagram that we drew. Then we also know that the probability of F is 0.5. So all we need to do now is just multiply these two together, and that gives us 0.05, which is the probability of E intersect F, which means that there is a 0.05 chance of the person being from Chicago and returning the survey.